Good day. I'm Troy Alessandro C. Campo, 21 years old and 4th year BS Criminology at Holy Cross of Davao College. Right now, I'm currently living in Mintal, Davao City, and I chose BS Criminology course because I want to be of service to the community in the future. So the subject is CDI, Technical English 2, Legal Forms. So let's start. Legal Forms. So legal forms aims to authenticate and legitimize the accounts and dealings stated within the document and ensure its lawfulness or legality. Legal forms will serve as an evidence of legal transaction or judicial proceedings which can be used as reference and of proof in order to have a clear guide of the terms and parties have agreed and made. So for example, if you are going to take action on legal matters in relation to filing cases, kung tayo na kay gusto i-complain, so you will execute legal forms of, for example, affidavit of complaints. And also, daghan pag mga examples of legal forms like jurat, mga sabena, and etc. So there are two uses of legal forms, either for legal transaction or judicial proceedings. So judicial proceedings, more on filing of legal action siya, and legal procedures, example of that is affidavit of arrest, sabina, affidavit of complaint. Some of those are examples of legal forms in judicial proceedings. So, all of the legal forms contain important matters because um, all of those information details in legal form must be true and correct. And not only mga facts and ang nakabutang, but also mga technical terminologies and presented siya in a systematic order in accordance to circumstances of any case. So kung unsa na klase na actions imong buhaton, dapat related siya sa unsang klaseng legal form ang i-file or gamiton. Kay it is not possible to use other legal form in different types of actions. For example, nawala yung ID, then mag-apply ka for affidavit of kanang lain affidavit, dili affidavit of loss, so dili siya pwede. Let's proceed to the objectives of legal forms. Legal forms will serve as evidence of legal transaction or judicial proceeding which can be used as reference and or proof in order to have a clear guide of the terms parties have agreed and made. So legal forms states and explain the legal and factual events and concept in a case. Legal form provides assurance that the agreement is documented and accessible when needed. So, our memory is short, so naay possibility na makalimot sa nasabutan, especially in the verbal agreement. So, agreements are important to have a particular goals to achieve by both parties. So, it is very important na both parties that are part in the agreement must remember or mahinumduman nila kung unsa ilang gisabutan. So para ma-avoid ang disagreement, naatay mga legal forms na pirmahan or diha nakasulod ang mga ipangsabutan para dili malimtan. Because a written agreement is very helpful to avoid disagreement in any situations. Kaya ang written agreements like legal forms is always there and serves as proof that both parties agreed on the terms. Next is the importance of legal form in law enforcement work. Legal forms considered part of the legal procedure on how law works and on how law provides and or permitted by the established law. As a police officer, the study of legal forms offers opportunity that enhances skills and explore more about the aspects of police work. So legal forms is naga-instill og knowledge sa mga police officers to provide idea on how to conduct legal transactions, which are very important to make sure that the community is safe and protected. And also, nag-provide siya og information sa mga procedural form para sa legal matters. So, all in all, legal forms is important in law enforcement work since it will provide knowledge on how um, knowledge on it will provide knowledge on any procedural form on legal matters or transaction and to have better understanding on how we can practice law. The next is classification of legal forms. Business forms. So business forms is forms used in conveyance or of of the forms of deeds, instruments, documents, creating, transferring, modifying, or limiting rights to real as well as personal properties and other forms related to business contracts or transactions. So business forms more on related siya sa mga transactions na involve ang mga business like forms of deeds, instruments, or documents creating and etc. Then judicial forms, forms which pertain to different kinds of pleadings, applications, petitions, affidavits, motions, and the like. So mostly kanina mga forms is naani sa mga judicial process like mga affidavits and mga pleadings. So if naay mga need na documents or forms used in judicial proceedings, mao ni siya na classifications of legal forms ang ginagamit. So that's all. Thank you.